In this video, we listed the 5 best gaming keyboard on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. EPOMAKER RT100. The EPOMAKER RT100 is a high-performance mechanical keyboard designed for enthusiasts seeking advanced features and customization. It boasts a retro style with a detachable smart TFT LCD display that can function as a smartwatch, displaying time, weather, and keyboard battery levels. The keyboard supports N-key rollover for simultaneous key presses, enhancing gaming and productivity, while its south-facing RGB LEDs ensure optimal visibility of lighting effects. With triple connectivity options, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Type-C wired, and a robust 5000 mAh battery, it caters to both convenience and stability. The customizable 2-in-1 knob allows for versatile media control, and the hot-swappable CAL sockets facilitate easy switch replacement. Featuring a gasket mount designed for a soft typing experience and durable PBT keycaps, the RT100 combines functionality with an ergonomic layout, making it an excellent choice for gamers and typists alike. Number 2. Ajazz AK820 Pro. The Ajazz AK820 Pro is a versatile 75% mechanical keyboard designed for both enthusiasts and professionals, featuring a unique TFT screen that provides real-time updates and customization options, including battery status and backlight effects. Its compact layout maximizes desk space while ensuring portability, making it ideal for various applications including desktops, laptops, and tablets. The keyboard supports both wired and wireless connectivity via Bluetooth 5.1 and 2.4 GHz, and is equipped with a robust 4000 mAh battery for extended use. Notable design elements include a gasket-mounted construction that minimizes vibration and noise, along with customizable RGB backlighting and compatibility with both Windows and Mac operating systems. The keyboard's hot-swappable design allows users to easily change switches, and it comes with PBT keycaps, a rotary knob, and a sturdy ABS plastic case. Overall, the Ajazz AK820 Pro combines innovative features, superior typing experience, and aesthetic customization, making it a standout choice in the mechanical keyboard market. Number 3. LEOBOG Hi98 Pro. The LEOBOG Hi98 Pro is a versatile and dynamic mechanical keyboard designed for both gaming and everyday use. With a full-size layout featuring 101 keys and a hot-swappable switch option, it allows users to personalize their typing experience. The keyboard boasts a robust build, constructed from aluminum alloy, and keycaps made from durable PBT plastic, ensuring longevity and reliability. It supports multiple connection modes, including a 2.4 GHz wireless option and a USB Type-C interface, making it compatible with a variety of devices such as desktops, laptops, and tablets. The vibrant multicolor RGB backlighting enhances the aesthetic and functional aspects of gaming, while its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to transport. Additionally, it features multi-device compatibility and is designed to support various operating systems, including Windows and Mac OS, catering to a wide range of users looking for high-performance gaming accessories. Number 4. AULA F75 Keyboard. The AULA F75 original mechanical keyboard is a versatile input device designed for gaming and standard applications, featuring a compact 75% layout that incorporates 82 keys. It offers multiple connectivity options, including 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and wired USB, catering to various user preferences and setups. The keyboard showcases a vibrant multicolor backlight and is crafted with durable PBT keycaps that enhance its tactile performance. It is characterized by a standard operation style and is tailored for desktop usage, making it suitable for both casual and dedicated gamers. With an emphasis on customization, this OEM profile gasket keyboard reflects modern gaming aesthetics while ensuring functionality. Number 5. DrunkDeer A75 Pro. The DrunkDeer A75 Pro is a high-performance mechanical gaming keyboard designed for speed and stability, featuring silent magnetic switches and a hot-swappable design for customizable key options. This keyboard is equipped with an 82-key layout and supports both Mac and Windows operating systems, making it suitable for desktop and laptop use. With a polling rate of 1000 Hz and an adjustable actuation distance ranging from 0.2 mm to 3.8 mm, it offers rapid trigger capabilities ideal for competitive gaming scenarios. The A75 Pro also boasts customizable RGB lighting with 18 effects and adjustable brightness levels, allowing users to tailor the aesthetic to their liking. Unique features such as the RT Plus mode enhance gameplay by prioritizing key presses and enabling dual trigger actions, while the patented shock-absorbing structure ensures a comfortable typing experience. The keyboard is built with durable PBT plastic keycaps, ensuring longevity and a premium feel, making it a top choice for esports enthusiasts and gamers seeking precision and responsiveness.